In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Chrome Family Safety settings. If Chrome is being blocked by Microsoft Family Safety and you're seeing messages like ask for permission or you can't use Google Chrome because of your family safety settings, the fix usually involves adjusting or removing the family safety restrictions tied to your Microsoft account. I'll walk you through two reliable methods, starting with the simplest. First, leave the Microsoft Family group. Open the Microsoft Family Safety website or app and sign in with the same Microsoft account that's being restricted on your device. Once you're in, locate your own profile within the family. Click the three dots next to your name, then choose Leave Family Group or Remove from Family Group. This action disconnects your account from the family's restrictions, so Chrome won't be blocked by those policies anymore. Keep in mind, if your account is set up as a child account, you won't be able to remove yourself. In that case, the family organizer, the parent or admin, must remove you from the group on their end. It's worth confirming you're signed in with the correct account before you proceed, since family safety settings are specific to the account in use. Sometimes the block can persist even after leaving the family group, because Windows may keep old family safety policies cached. That's where the second method comes in. Resetting those cached settings on Windows. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and press Enter to open a command prompt. Then paste this exact command and run it. Stasks run tn Microsoft Windows shell family safety refresh task. This triggers a built-in Windows task that refreshes family safety policies for your profile. After the command runs, restart your PC. The restart helps clear out the stale restrictions and applies the refreshed policy cleanly. A quick note for context. There was a known Microsoft issue on Windows 10 and 11 where family safety mistakenly blocked Google Chrome for some users. Microsoft released fixes, but certain devices can hang on to outdated policy files. That's why forcing a family safety refresh and then rebooting often resolves what looks like a lingering block, even after you've left the family group. To recap the flow, remove yourself from the Microsoft Family group if you can, or have the organizer remove you if you're on a child account. If Chrome still shows the block afterward, refresh the family safety policy with the command and then restart. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to use Google Chrome without those family safety prompts.